Capturing video of your screen with the help of a built-in video capture tool in Windows 10. First open the Windows settings. Now you will see an option Gaming. Click on it. Now you will see an option Record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using Game Bar. Turn it on. Now you will see an option Capture and click on it. You will find many settings in Captures. First you will see an option Save screenshots and game clips in. By clicking on it you can set where you want to save your video. Now you will see an option to record in the background while I am playing a game. You have to turn it on. Now you will see two options. First is record even when my PC isn't plugged in. This may reduce your battery life. You will turn it on or click on it. The second option you will see is record while wirelessly projecting my screen. This may impact the quality of your game. Turn it on as well or click on it. Now you will see two options. First is of maximum recording length, in which you will set recording length for 4 hours. The second option you will see is record audio. When I record a game, you will turn it on. Now you will see an option of video frame rate, on which you will set frame rate at 60 FPS so that the video quality become high, or at 30 FPS for low video quality, as per your convenience. Now you will see an option of video quality, on which you will set it at high so that the video quality become high, or at low for lower video quality, as per your convenience. Now you will see an option Capture mouse cursor in recordings. You can turn it on or off as per your convenience. If you turn on, you will see mouse cursor in recording. Now we will press together Windows key and G on the keyboard, Win plus G. After pressing Win plus G, a menu bar will appear. In this menu bar you will see the option of settings, on which you will click. Now you will see an option Capturing. Click on it. Now you will see an option of audio to record. You will click on all. Now close the settings. Now we will open the app or browser or software or website of which we want to do screen recording. As an example, we will open Google Chrome. Now we will press together Windows key and G on the keyboard, Win plus G. Now you will have to tap the capture icon. You can then start recording by tapping on the recording icon. While recording, you will see an icon of mic. If you enable it, then your voice will also be recorded in the video recording. When you press stop recording, your recording will be saved. After the video is successfully recorded, this notification will appear on your screen. Now you can see your screen recordings, and for this, you will have to go to the folder you have chosen to save the screen recordings in the settings. By default, the screen recordings you made with Windows Screen Recorder are stored in the Captures folder inside Videos located in File Explorer. I will show you how to find the default save location. For this, first go to File Explorer, and then tap the icon of the videos. Now we will go to Captures folder. Here we will find our screen recordings.